Hello viewer, I am Vivas Malik, and in this video I will show you 3 different ways how you can get Discord Nitro for 3 months in a completely free for 3 months. So please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. And I will suggest you to please visit my YouTube channel. You will find some awesome useful content. Let's start this tutorial. If you are looking for a Avira product like password manager or VPN or Windows security of software, then please watch that video here. I had just recorded a video about how to get Avira Prime subscription for 90 days free trial without credit card or debit card. Let's start the tutorial. Here you can see I had also recorded a video about how to get Atlas VPN premium for free. Here you can see Atlas VPN and your plan you can also see premium. Let's start the tutorial. The first way you will get Discord Nitro for free. The method is by if you have a YouTube premium, then you will get the 3 month Discord Nitro for free. Here you can see this is the official link of Discord, and please read this and apply this. And this is if you have YouTube premium subscription, then you can simply claim your Discord Nitro for 3 months completely free. I will give this URL in this video description, so you can simply read the all the details. Here you can see step by step claim instruction. Just visit YouTube and log in your YouTube premium account, and just here you can see I will give this link in this video description, so you can redeem your subscription. And the second method is for Xbox Game Pass Ultimate member. If you are if you have an account of Xbox Game Pass, then you will get 3 month Discord Nitro for free. Here you can see after 3 month free trial period, the Nitro subscription will convert to a monthly recurring subscription, and Discord will be bill your payment every month. So I will suggest you to after 3 months just cancel your subscription. So, and if you don't have a Xbox subscription or YouTube subscription, then try this third method, that is just use Opera GX user. Just download Opera GX browser in your operating system like the Windows or any Mac or anything. Just search on Google Opera GX and go to the first URL and just download this Opera GX and install this. After the installation, just you don't need anything, just log in your Discord account and go to this link. I'll provide this link in the video description also. Just go to this link, that is opera.com gx/discord-nitro, and just click on this claim now. For this you must have this Opera GX browser, and this is completely free. You don't need to add any amount like $5 or $10, anything. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you don't have a card detail or anything, just watch my another video. I had created a video about how to get VCC. Here you can see claim your gift. Just click on next. And here you can see you got 1 month. You got 1 month of Nitro. Just click on again next. And here you can see the monthly subscription $9.99, but it is just two days total $0. Scroll down and click on get Nitro monthly. You will get the Discord Nitro for 1 month in a free. So I got a YouTube community guidelines, 2 community guidelines strike, so I will not complete this process in this video. After the recording stopped, I will complete this Discord Nitro and will get Discord Nitro in a free for 1 month. And I will give all the 3 links on my blog website. My blog website URL is khalifablogs.blogspot.com. I will give this in this video description and first comment box also. And if you are looking for SEO tool, then I will suggest you to use bundledseo.com. Here you can see it have 4 plan, but don't worry, I will give you a discount coupon code Here you can see in a $10 you will get SEMrush, Grammarly, Coolbot, Word AI and Ubersuggest, and in a $15 you will get SEMrush, Grammarly, Cooltest, Word AI, Ubersuggest, Majestic, Mozpro, BuzzSumo, Spyfoo and many more. And in a $30 you will get a lot of tool for your daily use and 𝐂𝐳𝐬 included. If you need anything from this image, then you can simply contact me on Instagram. I will provide you in a cheap price. Like I have this all of these product like Prime Video or GitHub Student Developer Pack or Skillshare or Canva Premium or Grammarly Premium or Office 365 genuine original license key or Windows 10 11 online activation key, and just use for SEO tool this coupon code VIVASMANEK. You will get 20% of discount. Like in a $10 you will get 20% discount, or if you purchase from this plan, medium plan, you will get 20%, and same as. So if you are planning to create a website on WordPress and you are looking for any WordPress theme, then I will provide you GPL license version WordPress theme in a cheap price, like GeneratePress, DB, Newspaper, Jana, ClickMag, Extra. Then simply contact me on Instagram. I will provide you GPL version license WordPress theme in a very cheap price, and I have some WordPress plugin also available. If you are still watching this video, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel and also like this video. And if you found this video is helpful, then thank you for watching video.